Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative by rewriting, differentiating, and then simplifying. So the first one we have is y equals 5 over 2x squared. I'm going to rewrite this as y equals 5 over 2x to negative 2. Now I'm going to differentiate this. So when I do that, I'm going to get the derivative of y. I'm going to multiply 5/2 by negative 2, and this is going to be x to the negative 2 minus 1. And then you simplify, and this is going to be, this 2 goes into that negative 1 time, so that's going to be negative 5 x to the negative 3, which equals negative 5 over x cubed. Okay, the next one's very similar. I'm going to rewrite this. This is going to be 2/3 times x to the negative 2. And then I'm going to differentiate. So it's going to be 2/3 times negative 2, x to the negative 2 minus 1. And then I'm going to simplify. So it's going to be negative 4/3 x to the negative 3, which equals negative 4 over 3. And I'm going to pull him down to the denominator. That should be a 3. So it would be 3x cubed. Okay, the next one we have is this one. So I'm going to clean this up right away. This is going to be 8x cubed. So now we have it like we did on the first slide. So this would be 3/8 x to negative 3. So now I'm going to differentiate. So I have 3 over 8 times negative 3 to the x times x to negative 3 minus 1, which equals negative 9 over 8 times x to the negative 4, which equals negative 9 over 8x to the 4th. And this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to clean it up first. We have pi over 9x squared. Remember, pi is a constant. And I can write this as pi over 9 times x to the negative 2. Now I'm going to differentiate. So I get negative 2, or pi over 9 times negative 2 times x to the negative 2 minus 1. So this is going to equal negative 2 pi over 9 to the x times x to the negative 3, which equals negative 2 pi over 9x cubed. All right, and we have 2 more. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this one. This is going to be x to the 1/2 times x to the negative 1, if I bring it up. So this would end up being x to negative 1/2. Because when you're subtracting, you could say this is negative 2 over 2. Because that equals 1. Negative 1. Okay, now let's differentiate. So you get negative 1/2 x to negative 1/2 minus 1, which is 2 over 2. So this is going to be negative 1/2 times x to negative 3/2. When you simplify this, you get negative 1 over 2. And I'm going to bring this down. This is going to be x to the 3/2. And if you want, you could say this is negative 1 over 2 square root of x cubed. Okay, it just depends on how you want to leave it. And the last one is this one. And this one's actually pretty easy. I'm going to rewrite this as 4x cubed. Whoops, that's not the derivative. I'm just rewriting this. So if I rewrite this, it would be 4x cubed. Now I'm going to differentiate that. That's going to be 4 times 3 times x to the 3 minus 1, which equals 12x squared. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.